बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लि व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleague, this is female middle-aged patient referred by the honorable surgeon for confirmation of appendicitis. So here you can see that ये रखो, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देखो, इधर आंखा इधर। Here you can see that I am focusing the probe in the McBurney point where the usual inflamed appendix is present. And here we can see that this is the iliac vessels, and these are the small bowel. We cannot appreciate the appendix in this region. Usually when the appendix is inflamed, it reaches anterior to the iliac vessels and anterior to the psoas muscle. This is the psoas muscle. So here we can appreciate, and usually at the level of the McBurney point. Here we can appreciate that the small bowel is present, and iliac vessels are in the screen, and this is the psoas muscle, right psoas muscle, which is also in the display. We cannot appreciate the appendix here, and if I move from the McBurney point laterally and upward, this is the liver, lower edge of the liver, and here you can see that in the screen, in the display in front of you, the non-compressible aperistaltic loop, that is appendix, an inflamed appendix, is present, and it is going and going and going and insulting at this level, this one, and where I have placed the probe, you can see here, this is the right lower hypochondrium or lumbar region where the inferior pole of the liver is present. So this is not the usual place of the appendix, so it is rather subhepatic. So this was the ectopic appendix, which is inflamed. This was the interesting one, and so here we can see that this is the inflamed appendix. Base is inserting at this layer, at this area. This is the lower pole of the liver, and this is the base which is inserting at this level, at the subhepatic level. So when I moves from the subhepatic portion to lower region, this is the appendix coming, lower region, and Now I have reached at the level of right lumbar region. This and this at this level, this appendix suddenly turn and invaginate into the gut. At the lumbar region, it suddenly take a turn. Look at this, take a turn and then invaginate or project into the bowel. This is the bowel which has swirling pattern of appearance, and it invaginate into this bowel. So this was the rare case I have ever seen in my life. First, I have seen the acute appendicitis with appendiceal intussusception, but that was not ectopic, that was not subhepatic. So this is the another case which is subhepatic appendix, which is subhepatic in origin, and it is projecting into the bowel. This is the appendix, we can see, and here it is telescoping or invaginating, projecting into the bowel at the region of the right lumbar region. Here you can see that this becomes the whole mass. Swirl pattern, and appendix is entering. Swirl pattern of the bowel, and if we closely observe, appendix is entering from this region, coming and entering into the bowel. It is likely large bowel, but it is thick wall. You can appreciate this is the wall and it is thick. And here we can also appreciate that the appendicolith or fecolith is also present at the inserting site of the appendix. Here we can appreciate the fecolith. This is the appendix. I am going to the subhepatic region, downward to the right lumbar region, turning and then entering into this thick walled bowel which has at the end appendicolith. So this was the interesting case I am sharing you people. The subhepatic acute appendicitis with appendiceal intussusception. Thank you very much.